Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build an effective workout with Anytime Fitness step by step clearly. First, define your fitness goals. Identify whether you want to lose weight, gain muscle, or improve endurance. Next, assess your current fitness level. Consider taking a fitness assessment at Anytime Fitness to establish a baseline. Choose a combination of cardio and strength training for a balanced routine. Select cardio exercises that you enjoy, such as cycling, running, or swimming. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio per week. Incorporate strength training exercises targeting major muscle groups. Focus on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses for efficiency. Plan your workouts for at least 3 to 5 times a week. Create a schedule that fits your lifestyle and commitments. Ensure each workout lasts between 45 to 60 minutes for optimum results. Warm up before each session to prevent injury and prepare your body. Incorporate dynamic stretches or light cardio for 5 to 10 minutes. Cool down at the end of each workout to promote recovery. Include static stretching to improve flexibility and reduce soreness. Track your progress to stay motivated and make adjustments. Use a fitness app or journal to log your workouts and monitor improvements. Consider joining group classes at Anytime Fitness for variety and motivation. Stay hydrated and focus on post-workout nutrition for recovery. Consult with a trainer at Anytime Fitness for personalized guidance. Listen to your body and rest when needed to prevent burnout. Adjust your workout plan every few weeks to keep it challenging. Incorporate rest days into your routine for optimal recovery. Stay consistent and be patient with your progress. Building an effective workout takes time, commitment, and dedication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.